The reason it's important to provide HSJ to the wider team is really to make sure they're completely up to date. I've got fast, easy access to good information about what's happening in the NHS and healthcare more widely. A lot of our strategy is all about how we improve and how we try and improve people's quality of life. And so everything that's about predictive analysis, a stitch in time saves 9, thinking about prevention, being ahead of the curve, really helps us to understand how we improve, how we work with people, and how we can help teams to really continuously improve the quality of what they're doing. There's a lot of content on the HSJ website that's actually really important when you're thinking about decision making, when you're looking at what services to develop, when you're trying to work out, what are other people doing, what's the context in which you're operating, and actually when you're looking at benchmarking, how are you doing, what's going on, productivity and so on. So what I'd say is there are lots of examples where one of the places we've drawn on has been articles that are there, information that's there, whether that's been telehealth in community services or what's happening in early intervention in mental health across different areas of the country, where are the strengths, where are the weaknesses, to really understand our improvement focus, how that fits with other people's, and then what we need to do and how do we draw on best practice from other places. If we didn't have HSJ Solutions, we'd be learning best practice in a much slower, much more cumbersome way. There's a database there with so many examples of good practice, best practice from all around the country, from all different care groups. HSJI is an incredible source of data about trusts across the NHS. There's benchmarking data in there in one place that shows you how you compare and how you compare to all the other organisations in the NHS, whether it's in your sector or in other sectors. When we've been putting in for awards, within the HSJ membership, you've got HSJ Solutions, you've got HSJ Intelligence, and you've got HSJ News, of course, as well. I think particularly HSJ Solutions, you've got an enormous database there of best practice, what people will be looking at, how what you're putting in for the awards actually might compare with what's there and what other people are doing. So it's been incredibly useful when we've been putting entries together.